Rock Creek Park Trail. It is the getaway of DC. That's where I go to relax. I'm actually here looking for a fishing spot. Hopefully that comes out. This is right behind Rock Creek Parkway. You can see cars and stuff. And it's really beautiful out here. See a lot of good scenery and animals. You don't see this every day, especially in a big city like DC. I call it the urban jungle. What's up in there? Hopefully I get a good video of some fish. One time I noticed here I seen a bunch of crappie. So hopefully they're still around. There's some water. I don't see that down there. It's a nice sandbar where you see a bass too. Wow. Still no sign of fish. Oh, there's a fish. A little bluegill. Oh, you guys see the over there by the rocks. Only see one. That's not a good sign. We gotta keep going. Oh, there's a decent one. Yeah, there's definitely in here. There's a bass. Yeah, you should see him. Yeah, there he is. Right there. Can't get any close. He's a nice size one too. Might be my new fishing spot. I'm sitting here chilling. Pretty water. Everybody say DC water's dirty, and I don't believe that. I've been doing out here so all my life. Nothing wrong with me. Yeah. There's some rocks. You should see something here. Nope, not yet. Man, where are the fish at? It's a nice pool. I know they're in there. Wish I had my fishing rod. Yep, let's keep going. I forgot what trail I'm on, but it's the one get off Woody Road, right across CVS, go down that hill, and the exercise path. Give to it off Connecticut too. Man, it's beautiful out here. Look at those giant plants. Giant. There's my hand. That's marijuana. Oh boy. Oh boy. I would not have this video. I mean, that's beautiful though. It's the secret of DC. Not a lot of people know about this. I mean, I can go to at least 10 people on the street and tell them, hey, you know about Rock Creek Park? And I bet you 8 of them will say no. Especially black folks, you know, they don't come out here like that. Alright. You know, look at the water. I would go down there. They got the right shoes for it. Yeah, screw it. What's going on YouTube, baby? Gotta do something crazy. Oh crap. It's a fishing line. Yeah, there's definitely fishing here. See if I don't fall. There. Alright. Big rocks down there. And there's some bluegill. Little bluegills down there. At least I got a spot to catch some bait. I ain't seen nothing amazing yet. I'm waiting to see one of them snakeheads. I know they're in here. This would be a tough fishing spot though. Look, it's a floater. See it? There's it. There. Too bad I can't zoom. Oh, maybe I can. Hold on. Yeah. Can't zoom. Android sucks. Alright. Going back up. Surprisingly, these shoes have good grip. I'm wearing Chucks. Hey. Hey. How you doing? You got some beautiful dogs. Yep. Rocky Trail. And more scenic. There's what used to be a waterfall. Oh. This is crazy. Love this. There's a bird. Hey, birdie. Hey, nothing, something about Chad. Chad something.